Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to screen record with audio on iOS devices. Let me just go ahead and show you how to get to screen recording and how to enable the microphone. First, pull down the control center on the top right of your screen. You should see a recording icon there. If you don't, I will show you how to add it to your control center. What you want to do is first go to your settings, then tap on Control Center, click on Customize Controls, and scroll down to where you see it says Screen Recording. It should say somewhere on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and delete mine and then re-add it to show those of you who do not know or do not have it. So tap on the little green plus sign and now it will be on the top to show you what is in your control center. Then press the home button to go to your home screen. Now we will pull down the control center again on the top right of your screen, and the screen record icon should be there now. Just hold it down for 2 seconds and you should see the words screen recording come up and a microphone with the word off underneath. Mine says on, but if it says off, just hold it down for 2 seconds, and when you see the words screen record, just tap on it and it will switch from off to on. When it's on, it will automatically turn red and say on under the microphone. Now when you do a screen recording, you will have a voice recording also. Don't forget, after you finish recording, it automatically saves to your photos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful. Please like and subscribe to this video and don't forget to hit the little bell icon to get notifications every time I post a video if you want to see more videos like these. Have a good day.